Earlier, we discussed the methods for summarizing and organizing the data obtained from observing one variable. Such data is called univariate data. When we're interested in studying the relationship between a pair of variables, we must collect and organize the data on two variables at the same time. Such data itself is called bivariate data, and there are several ways to organize such data depending on the types of the variables. A table called contingency table can be used to organize bivariate data in which one or both variables are qualitative. To construct the table, we arrange the observed frequencies into rows and columns. The intersection of a row and a column of a contingency table is called a cell. Each cell shows the frequency of observations that fit the description in the corresponding row and column. This value 1 means there is only one car with light color and light new condition. It is number 1. This number 2 means there are two cars of dark color and used condition. Here they are, number 2 and number 5. Many times it makes sense to add an extra column and an extra row with the totals for each column and each row, and for the entire table as well. Alternatively, this table can also be referred to as two-way frequency table. Why? Cover the second and third columns, and what's left can be easily seen as the frequency table for the colors of cars. Cover the second and third rows instead, and what's left can be easily seen as the frequency table for the car condition. Note that every contingency table can be easily broken down into two frequency tables, but the two frequency tables cannot be easily combined into a contingency table if the original data is lost. Here's another example of a contingency table. For example, we can see that there are 280 people out of 755 that are cell phone users and had no speeding violation in the last year. We have discussed the contingency tables and how to use them to organize qualitative bivariate data.